So yeah guys, OnePlus 6T is now officially launched by OnePlus today. But in this video, we are going to talk about OnePlus 6T camera. The camera on the OnePlus 6T was excellent given the price of the phone, and so too is the snapper on the OnePlus 6T. While OnePlus has stuck with the same hardware on the T update, the software is improved, notably with the addition of a new Nightscape long exposure mode. The camera features a wide-angle lens paired with a 16-megapixel sensor, as well as a scary 20-megapixel lens and sensor combination. Both lenses features a f1.7 aperture. The shooting modes on the 6T are fairly predictable. There's automatic, portrait, manual, and panorama. When it comes to video, slow motion and time-lapse mode complement a simple enough automatic mode. Within the shooting user interface, OnePlus also gives you quick access to useful tools like Google Lens, flash, self-timer, and aspect ratio control direct from your viewfinder. Given the price of the 6T, it can take some outstanding pictures. It undercuts the Pixel 3 and Mate 20 Pro, and of course the iPhone XS in terms of price. But in certain situations, it can go toe to toe with all three when it comes to image quality. So here we have the official camera samples of the OnePlus 6T and a quick camera comparison between the OnePlus 6T versus the OnePlus 6 versus the iPhone XS Max. So without wasting any more time, let's go for it. So yeah guys, what do you think about OnePlus 6T camera samples comparison? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.